Thank you for purchasing a Packhorse Cargo System from Wicked Relics Off-Road. These instructions should help you with the installation of your Packhorse. As always, if you need any other assistance, please reach out to us via email, text, or phone. Begin by carefully unpacking the components and inspecting for damage during shipping. The following slides will outline all of your hardware included with your kit. If you have any components that are missing, please let us know. Let's lay out all the tray components. There will be a blue piece of painter's tape with your name and order number. This will be the side that faces your tailgate. Next, position both your mounted slide brackets on either side of your tray. One will be labeled passenger and the other driver. Unlock and fully extend both slides as shown in the video. I suggest using the cardboard packaging that your components arrived in to protect it during the assembly process. Next, mount the tray to the slides with the provided 1/4 inch bolts. Reference the video for proper alignment of your slide with the rearmost portion of the tray. After you've installed the first bolt on each side, move your attention to the rearmost bolt. The way you achieve that is installing the bolt through these small windows. You'll need to unlock your slides and move this center slide portion to where you can reach both bolt holes through these. Next, we will be using the stabilizing brackets, the 3/8 inch hardware washers, and nylon locking bolts. This will give you an idea of the orientation of your stabilizing brackets. After you have secured the hardware for the forward support brackets, you have completed the assembly of your Packhorse. Let's turn our attention to some of the hardware. Your kit is supplied with a pair of threaded standoffs and hardware. These are to be placed in the aft anchor points as seen in the video, one per side. If you are installing the 16-inch two-door kit or the 28-inch four-door kit, you will be provided with 4 more threaded standoffs. These are located in the forward anchor positions in pairs, as seen in the video. To reduce the risk of abrasion damage to your seatbelt assemblies over time, I do recommend removing the lower bolt and securing the assemblies up out of the way. This footage is to reference the positioning of your brackets. Keep in mind, when you install your tray assembly, it will be installed in one entire piece. To simplify the kit, you will be reusing some of the factory hardware provided with your Bronco. Locate your 2 spacers and let's install them prior to installing your Packhorse. As seen in this photo, you will be reusing 2 of the 18mm bolts and 2 of the 18mm nuts with a captured washer. Place your spacer directly over the bolt hole just adjacent to the seatbelt shoulder harness floor mount. Repeat this on the other side. The current screen shows the orientation of the spacer underneath the main mount brackets. Now to install the actual Packhorse assembly. It will take 2 people to safely install the unit. Carefully lift and place the entire Packhorse assembly into your cargo area, utilizing the studs on either side of the cargo space to correctly align your Packhorse. To begin the installation, loosely install the 4 Torx head bolts as seen in this photo in the forward stabilizer brackets. Next, unlock your slides and slowly slide the tray out to gain access to the 18mm bolt. Secure both left and right 18mm bolts before moving on. Get your tray out once again to gain access to the left and right 18mm captured nut and washer. Now with the tray fully slid outward, you will have access to the standoff nut closest to the tailgate. Secure both left and right. Let's return our attention to the Torx head bolts in the forward stabilizer brackets. Go ahead and secure the 2 Torx head bolts. If you find it necessary to readjust the forward stabilizer bracket, loosen the 3/8" hardware, reposition the bracket to a desirable location, and resecure. Check the interior clearance between your Packhorse driver's side release handle and your tailgate. Gently close your tailgate and check for clearance interference from the inside. The Packhorse release handle on the driver's side should rest just below the curved portion of your tailgate assembly. If there is any interference, shift your entire Packhorse assembly slightly to the driver's side and resecure.